Again, sitting here at Cedros. Alma is out. Also, Sarah and some other friends are out. I'm staying up on the beach in the shade. I had a really good session today at Lajas. Super good. I took a lot of waves. It was so much fun. I finally feel like I can surf again. This has been hard the last couple of months, but today everything went so good, and yeah, I just don't want to go 2 times and then be tired and don't want to ruin my sessions or something. So I'm sitting at the beach, all of the gang is in the water. We went to have breakfast before at this panaderia Abuya. It was so good. I had eggs with mushrooms and mozzarella with bread, and Rasmus took the American breakfast plate, and Alma took some gallo pinto, like traditional Costa Rican. So it was super good. And it's the first time we ever went to that cafe, because every time we've been there it's closed. Like 2 days before we would try to go there, it was closed, but today was open. So we finally went there. And they have a super good cake. We're probably gonna go back and buy it after these guys have served. But yeah, I'm staying here in the shade. I have slept for a bit and I'm just so tired. You get so tired from surfing. But that's the update. And we were driving up this hill and it's like
just stops.
Alma is like shifting gears, like trying to put gas, but nothing happened.
And then we just stopped in the middle of the hill and I was like, fuck.
Yeah.
There's no gas. But it's so crazy because just before Sarah had like a bottle of gas, so we put it. Now it's all out.
Yeah. I don't know.
We couldn't stop at the gas station because the traffic police is coming.
Yeah.
And my scooter is not legal.
Yeah.
So
we had to go.
We had to go, but now we're just like here anyway.
Yeah. And we were stuck here and we tried to kick it like a few times and we were like, fuck, this is gonna never work.
We're right outside of a friend's house.
Yeah.
Perfect.
He was like,
lucky. He was like, hello.
He was like, what are you doing here?
I think I recognize these people. Perfect.
and then they come at night.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi, friend.
Are you looking for mangoes? I saved one like smaller than that one time. It was getting electrocuted.
Yeah? Oh no.
It was just a little thing.
How did you save it?
We were all throwing rocks at it.
Oh,
But
okay, so it like went down. Are we Alma? We're at a party.
We're in a
Yeah. Out of license place, and we're gonna sleep at Rootstown tonight, which is like where Alma used to work.
Yeah.
So we have been debating like all day what we're gonna do, if we're gonna go into a hostel or if we're gonna go sleep at Roots, or we had some friends we might be able to sleep at, but
We
yeah.
just agreed that a sleepover in a surf shop would be really nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be super fun. So we're gonna go and get our bags now, and yeah, then we're gonna make the bed and have a nice night. Hello. Hey guys, I am sick. It started yesterday, feeling sick, my throat, my nose is running all the time. I didn't sleep much yesterday night, and now today I have had like feverish feelings all day, nose is running, throat is clogged. I haven't done much today. We checked into a hostel. We're at Don John's. So I've been trying to sleep here, but the AC isn't working, or they don't have the AC on during the day. So it's been so hot, and like I'm sweating a lot because of the fever. So I went to a cafe, worked for a while, and yeah, tonight I'm just gonna chill here, cook some dinner, and just like try to get better. I will try to go and buy some tea later, so I can do some tea with ginger and honey. But it's been really sweaty day here. It's like 32 degrees, and like when you have a fever and you're super sensitive to heat and cold, it's been a lot. But hopefully I will feel better tomorrow. Okay, it's nighttime. It's like 10 in the night. I can't sleep, and my nose is starting to run a lot more, so I'm gonna make some tea. So I got some lime, I got some honey, and I got ginger and turmeric. This is the turmeric. So I'm gonna make tea, and hopefully it's gonna help with my nose. Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new day. Today is 24th of March, and I feel better. I'm not as sick as I was yesterday, so it's going in the right direction, but still feeling pretty tired. So I think I need a few more days. But we woke up today, we had breakfast, we made some oatmeal with banana and coconuts. Nice. And soon we're gonna go and check on another place to stay because Alma has a friend here that has an extra room, so probably we're gonna move there today. So we will go there in a few minutes and check it out. So we're gonna move out of this hostel, even though it's super nice here. But I'm editing a little bit the vlog. I've been trying to work in the past few days because I don't know, it's hard to get a routine here and you always do a lot of other stuff, but I would try to work harder these upcoming days because I'm going to Colombia soon, and then I don't want to have a lot of work after me. So yeah, I will try to get everything done now. Okay, we just moved into our new place here. We have a little outside dining area. Here is the kitchen. We have a big fridge, water, toilet is here, the shower, a big fan, which is the best thing ever. And then here is our bedroom. It's super small. We have a small bed, but me and Alma keep in here. All our bags, everything we need. So nice. Have fun! Surf session! Sunset surf! Woo! Let's go!